All right, so I want to get to two articles really quickly, and it's kind of like the last two that we're going to talk about today. One is by Logan Matashami. The other one is on The Real Deal. Is this behind a paywall? No, they just don't want me to block their content. They want me to whitelist their content and turn off my 4 pop-up blockers. That's a lot of trouble. So I'm just going to mention the article. Basically, The Real Deal.
We got to go anyway. So
yeah, and Dan, you can kind of go into it more if you want to, and we can go into it with the Logan Matashami article. But basically, The Real Deal says that buyers are rejoicing because U.S. housing market is returning to normal. And they're what is the main reason? What is the main thing that they're saying has the effect of the market returning to normal, Dan?
I don't know. I didn't read the article.
Oh, okay. Well done. Way to do some research for the show, Dan.
Hey,
no, there was a lot. There was a lot we had going on. Okay, I'll display it then. Here it is. Here's the article. I thought, oh wow, look at that. It did it again. I just whitelisted this one.
It won't.
It won't.
Wow, and look at that picture on if you're watching on Club or listening on Clubhouse, the storms like Ida will probably come out. The picture is just super duper devastation, which I understand, but why is that the main picture?
Well, they're trying to get in the hearts and minds.
There you go.
So buyers shouldn't break out the bubbly just yet. Things. Oh my goodness, I have disabled.
All right. Anyway, The Real Deal wants to hinder us. Anyway.
Yeah, The Real Deal is cutting our legs out from under us here.
But it says it right there. It says buyers rejoice as the housing market starts to normalize. Then they start off with, don't rejoice just yet.
Yeah, and the median list price is kind of what they were referring to. It's down from 385 to 380. Sellers appear to be more inclined to reduce prices. Well, one of the reasons, like we know as real estate agents, and I think The Real Deal knows this too, they're just not putting all this out there. Another paywall.
Jeez.
I mean, that was
they're relentless.
One of the things that we're seeing when these home prices decrease, yes, we're seeing sellers reduce their price, but they're reducing their price because they thought they could put their home on the market and get $100,000 over market value.
Right.
So now they're like, okay, let's just go to a normal price, and they're starting to reduce. Right. The other thing that's happening is that there is a little more inventory trickling on in the bottom 1/3, 1/4 of the market, and that's going to lower your median and lower your average home price overall as more of those homes sell. And we've talked about that in the past too. So
I wanted to add that
that's not new news. I would say
it's not new news. And I think what you really need to do, if you're an agent out there listening, or if you're a consumer, reach out to an agent that knows your local areas or know the areas that you're trying to buy in or sell in. And you, as an agent, you really got to study your markets. And just from your own listings, you can probably tell you're not getting 50 offers. You're not getting 200 showings over a weekend. You're getting, 15 offers, you're getting 8 offers. But like Ray has said on the show, if you got 25 offers and now you're getting 8, out of those 8, probably 6 are going to be really serious, legit offers. Now, out of those 25, it's probably about 10 of those that are not super serious, and maybe a few investors just trying to see if they can lowball it. And then they're going to call you and ask her, hey, is your seller serious about selling? Because we're ready to move forward. We're ready to close in 14 days. But is that really the market? So you just have to know your markets, the markets that you work in, and go ahead and look. If you don't look at, because there's active and coming soon, and then there's closed, but you should really look at what's in the, for us here in California, it's we have backup offers or accepted under contract, and then we have pending. I look at those numbers a lot to see how many more, because if there's a bunch of coming soon, but there's more pending, that means there's going to be a lot of closes coming up.
Yeah.
So really, really study the data. I implore you to study your data.